Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to create poll on Facebook. So let's head over to our Facebook application first. Once you are there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to what's on your mind at the top. And here you will find lots of options. Now, if you have a group, just head over to the group. So that's a group. And now here you will find the option of poll. Just write in the below of write something. Head over to poll. Now ask any question. Like I'm going to ask A, B, C, or D. Now give an option. Option number 1, I'm giving A, B. You can add poll option D. You can also add pictures with it, and there's some settings. You can allow members to add options, or you can allow people to choose multiple options. So once you are okay with it, just tap on done. And then just tap on post, or you can schedule your poll too. So once you tap on post, your poll will be created. So yeah, this is how you can just do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.